Now let's start to discuss the conditional probability. As you know that probability is defined as the ratio of number of events and number of sample space. Here we will consider the conditional probabilities. Suppose if you have two events A and B. A and B are two events. Two events. If the probability A occurs when B has already occurred, means you have to define if A and B are dependent to A and B are dependent to each other. So if A and B are two events such that probability of A will occur when probability of B has already occurred. That means probability of A after B equal to probability of A intersection B upon probability of B. That means probability of A intersection B, probability of A after B. This type of probability, probability of A after B, is known as conditional probability. In a similar manner, if you consider probability of B after A, means the probability of B will occur when already probability of A has been already occurred. That means probability of A intersection B upon probability of A. That means probability of A intersection B, probability of A into probability of B after A. This is the basic form of conditional probability. Here, suppose if A and B are independent events, A and B are independent events, so you know that probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A into probability of B. In this case, probability of A after B will be probability of A. Then probability of A intersection B may be written as probability of A into probability of B. If the events occurred simultaneously, then it is called compound events. Here we shall consider the favorable events. Favorable events means favorable events which ensure the required happening, events which ensure the required happening is known as favorable events. Suppose in throwing a die the events 2, 4, 6 are favorable cases. Favorable cases. Here, the basic theorem for conditional probability is Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem states that if B1, B2, B3, Bn are mutually exclusive events with probability of Bi cannot equal to 0, such that probability of Bi cannot equal to 0, and A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, An are mutually a subset of B1, B2, B3, then probability of Bi after A equal to probability of Bi, probability of A after Bi, summation of I equal to 1 to n, probability of Bi into probability of A after Bi. Proof of this theorem you have already done in class 12. This Bayes theorem is also based on bivariate distribution. Both are same. This Bayes theorem statement, and so we can give the proof of this theorem. Now let us consider an example. In a board factory, machine A, B and C manufacture respectively 25%, 35%, 40% of the total. If their outputs 5, 4 and 2 present percent defective bolts, a bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. What is the probability that it was manufactured by machine A? Means suppose A bolt is manufactured by machine A. A will be bolt is manufactured by machine A. It means probability of A equal to 25 upon 100, that will be 0.25. B will be bolt is manufactured by machine B. Therefore probability of B equal to 35 upon 100, that means 0.35. Similar manner, probability of C will be 40 upon 100, that means 0.40. Given probability of drawing defective bolts from A, probability of defective bolts from A will be 5 upon 100, 0.05. Probability of defective bolts from B means 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100, 0.04. 0.04. Probability of defective bolts from C, 2 upon 100 with 0.02. You have to find out defective bolt from machine B. Probability of B, defective bolts from machine B, that will be probability of B, probability of defective bolt from B upon probability of A probability of defective bolts from A, probability of B, probability of defective bolts from B, plus probability of C, probability of defective bolts C. That will be probability of B will be 0.35 into 0.04, 0.25 into 0.05 plus probability of B, that is 0.35, 0.04, 0.40 into 0.02. That will be 0.41. In this way, you will find the conditional probability for the given products. Okay.